Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today we'll make another simple and delicious dish, egg treasure sauce over rice. I know you heard about the egg treasures. Whenever we talk about that, normally it refers to the sweet version, sticky rice with egg treasures or congee with egg treasures. But today we're going to make the savory version. Let me show you the ingredients. As you guys can see, I already did the chopping and the dicing. Here are my 8 treasures. This is diced chicken, shrimp, dry tofu. This is our proteins. Here's the vegetables, onion, bell pepper. This is cabbage, carrots, and baby bell mushrooms. Of course, we always have our trios. This is green onions, ginger, and garlic. Now I'm ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to high. Add some vegetable oil. First, we're going to brown the chicken. We'll take 2 to 3 minutes till the chicken is lightly brown. After about 2 minutes, you can see our chicken is lightly brown. Add a little salt. Now we add onions, bell pepper, a little bit salt, now our trio. Here's the white part of green onions, ginger, minced garlic, now add the shrimp, mushroom, cabbage, carrots, all treasures, right? Dry tofu. And stir them together. Now we add some dark soy sauce for color. If you don't have it, just skip it. Or you can use oyster sauce and light soy sauce. And 5 spice powder to your own liking. Mix together. Wow, smells good already. Now we add chicken stock. Or you can use water if you don't have a stock. Just add halfway to the ingredients. And now it's boiling. We just turn down to medium low and cover it. Cook about 8 to 10 minutes. Almost about 10 minutes. Our sauce almost ready. Let me just have a quick taste. Delicious. No need to adjust. Now we just finish with the slurry. And we'll garnish with green onions. Our 8 treasure sauce is ready. Smells so good. I can't wait to eat. Let me get some. Wow. Cheers. So many flavors. Had a bite of the shrimp, a little crunchy. So homey. Isn't it simple to make? It's great combination. I still have bowl of sauce. You can put it over noodles, and you can even wrap with the lettuce leaves. So delicious. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you ever had something similar to this, similar sauce or topping like this. And let me know what kind of treasures are you going to put into this topping, this sauce. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.